Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pry bars that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Rotation 3-piece Pry Bar Set. The Rotation Pry Bar Set includes 3 heavy-duty tools in sizes of 8, 12, and 17.5. Each pry bar features an angled tip that enhances your ability to pry or lift objects effectively, making it easier to tackle tough jobs. The sharpened chisel end is perfect for wedging into tight spaces, giving you access where traditional tools may struggle. Crafted from industrial-grade forged iron steel, these bars resist twisting and flexing, ensuring durability during use. Plus, the steel cap is designed to endure significant hammer strikes, providing additional strength for your projects. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Shawl 4-piece Pry Bar Set. The Shawl Pry Bar Set includes 4 essential tools in various sizes: a mini pry bar, a nail remover, a medium-long crowbar, and a heavy-duty utility pry bar. Made from high-carbon steel, these tools are designed to withstand rust and corrosion, ensuring durability for your projects. The beveled edges and nail slots make it easy for you to extract nails, lift boards, and pry apart plywood without damaging surfaces. Additionally, the curved rocker head enhances leverage, making prying tasks easier and more efficient, while minimizing scratches. Enjoy a comfortable grip thanks to the thoughtfully designed shaft. At number 3, we have the TEKTON 36-inch Pry Bar. The TEKTON angled pry bar is a versatile tool designed to make your prying and lifting tasks easier. Its angled tip creates a high-leverage fulcrum, allowing you to apply greater force when prying or lifting objects. The sharpened chisel end is perfect for wedging into tight spaces, making it ideal for various applications. The generously sized, textured poly handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, ensuring that you can work with confidence. Additionally, the steel striking cap allows you to drive the pry bar tip into place with a hammer, increasing its versatility. Made from stout 5 to 8-inch square bar stock, this pry bar is built to last and won't easily flex or twist. With the TEKTON angled pry bar, you can tackle your prying tasks with ease and efficiency. At number 2, we have the DURATECH 3-piece Pry Bar Set. The DURATECH Pry Bar Set is designed for strength and durability, featuring heat-treated steel construction that resists breaking during use. The black oxide finish adds a protective layer, preventing rust and enhancing longevity. With an angled tip, you can easily pry and lift objects, providing more leverage in tight spaces. Plus, the metal striking cap allows you to hammer the bar into confined areas, transferring force directly to the tool for efficient use. This set also includes protective end caps to maintain sharpness, making it ideal for tasks like removing baseboards or opening stuck doors. And finally, at number 1, we have the CHANNELLOCK 1x2 18-inch Pry Bar. The CHANNELLOCK Pry Bar features an 18-inch square shank and a curved head designed to enhance leverage, making it easier for you to pry open stubborn materials. Its high-performance textured handle provides a secure grip and resists chemicals, ensuring comfort during use. Crafted from forged high-carbon US steel, this pry bar delivers exceptional strength and durability, perfect for heavy-duty tasks. Additionally, the black oxide finish helps prevent corrosion, extending the tool's lifespan. With these features, you can tackle your projects with confidence and efficiency. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.